Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you're most welcome to be part of the family. Today I decided to share with you this look right here, which I did today. It's very easy, a very light evening summer evening makeup look. So I really liked how it went out. It's very soft. It's kind of for beginners because, as I told previously, I am not a professional makeup artist. I am learning as mostly all of the people that are watching the makeup tutorials, kind of this stuff. I'm just trying to share what I'm doing for my makeup. So if you like this video, please leave it a big thumb up and leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see next, what kind of makeup looks maybe you would like to see next, or anything I'm doing you want me to share with you. I will be glad to share. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing that I want to use is Glow Minerals. It's a pressed base in the shade Beige Medium. I used this one pretty much but a year ago, because I'm using it in summers mostly, because my skin is very oily, so I'm trying to apply less makeup on my face, and it has good coverage, as you can see. As I remember, all the previous summer I was using this foundation slash powder and my skin was pretty good, and I completely forgot about it, and thanks God I saw it in my drawer and I decided to use it for this video. And I think I'll take it out and finish it up because it's almost done. It's so hot outside, so much humidity. Next I will go for the bronzer, Harmony Matte Powder Blush by MAC. It's broken a little bit, and I will apply it on my cheekbones. I want to travel so much, literally, oh my god. Next I'll go for my eyebrows. I will use Makeup Forever. If you're not mixing it with water, it's like a shadow, so I'm using it for my eyebrows because it's really amazing color. So I'll use the Orange Plus Cream Lip Polish. So let's take this color right here and apply it on the eye. It's kind of a peachy color. Let's go for this color. Let's see. And applying it on the outer corner of my eye. Let's go into the darker one. Let's see how it goes with it. So as we are going to the cinema, or if you're going to some walk or anything like that, not like a club or a party, it can work as well, because I like, for the party, I like black, smoky eyes, I love it. So usually for the party I'm using those kind of colors, but this is like light colors for me. We are taking this color right here. It's like goldish one. I think we can apply it with a finger. Yes, much better. The same color right here, and I will apply it on the lower lashes. The Glow Kit by Anastasia is already, you cannot see anything. I'm using this color right here and mixing with this one. as I always do, applying it on my upper lip and my nose, and in my inner corners of my eyes. So now I will apply mascara, as usual, my favorite one, and I will come back. So I will use from Sephora Brilliant Makeup Palette the lip gloss, the nude one. So here is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Let me know anything you want. Let me know what kind of makeup do you use. Share anything you like. Let's communicate. And if you like this video, please leave it a big thumb up. Subscribe for my channel if you still didn't. You are most welcome to be part of the family. And see you in my next video.